Hi everyone, this is your week 2 overview. I just want to remind you to be navigating my class through the weekly overviews. Really is the best way to make sure you're getting all the instructional material and to make sure that you are getting the readings and handouts and staying on track with the course. So remember that your readings and handouts are here. You should be working on your reading log as your first assignment. Also keep up with your MLA readings. These will help you with your MLA assignment that we also have this week. So this week, our goal is to start our About Me essay, our first essay. So you do have your personality quiz assignment. This will help you with coming up with perhaps a main definition of self for your About Me paper, or the personality character traits paragraph. This might bring some inspiration for you. So you're going to do that. Do go through the About Me essay requirements. There also is an instructional video here that goes through your requirements for the paper, so all of that should help you. You also have your brainstorm that you're starting, so we want to start coming up with the ideas for the paper. The brainstorm assignment does have a worksheet you're filling out, and it is pretty much just kind of filling in the information. Again, this is you reflecting on yourself, defining yourself. So just kind of go through and fill out the worksheet. That should help you come up with ideas for the essay. The other thing that you're working on this week is your MLA Tutorial 1. There is a video that walks you through this assignment, as well as doing your readings here will help you to format the assignment correctly. Moving into the weekend, make sure you go over your week 3 overview. There is another video in there that will obviously help you understand what we're moving into. And then we are moving into thesis statement next week. So it's important that you start doing the thesis lecture and practice. So that way we understand the parts of a thesis statement, and then we're able to write our thesis statement for our About Me essay. So that's kind of where we're going. Again, use your weekly overview for help. I hope this helps give you kind of a preview of what we're heading into. As always, you can use the syllabus tab to find my information. Email any questions. Thank you.